Did it scare you? But yeah, you want to see my costume for Halloween? Here it is. I thought I looked really scary. Actually, I'll be a vampire, but I was cut for time, so this is my costume right now. But yeah, right now I'm supposed to be something that I made up myself and nobody else is. So what I want you guys to do is post in the comments or message me the people who I'm sending this video to who are subscribe to her. Subscribe to her. Oh, and that's not it. Subscribe to me too. But yeah. Alright. Bye. Boom!